Have you ever wondered how car keys evolved? Let's explore their fascinating journey. From traditional keys to digital technology, car keys have transformed dramatically. Understanding this evolution helps us appreciate modern convenience. Car keys started as simple metal devices. Early keys operated locks mechanically, but they had limitations. They could be easily lost or duplicated, compromising security. This created a need for more reliable solutions. Then came the rise of remote keyless entry. It offered increased convenience and better security. With just a button press, drivers could lock or unlock their cars. This innovation changed how we perceive car access. Next, we entered the era of keyless entry and push-button start. Now, drivers could unlock their cars without traditional keys. Just having the fob nearby activates the ignition. This technology enhances the driving experience significantly. Today, we're seeing digital keys and smartphone integration. Smartphones are becoming legitimate car keys. Technologies like Bluetooth and NFC enable secure access. You can unlock your car just by being close to it. App-based features take convenience further. You can remotely start your car or locate it. Access control means only authorized users can enter. This level of control was unimaginable a few decades ago. Looking ahead, the future of digital keys is bright. Virtual keys and shared access are on the rise. Digital key management systems are expected to simplify ownership. This innovation could redefine how we share vehicles. However, security in the digital age poses challenges. Hacking risks and vulnerabilities exist in digital key technology. We must prioritize safety as we embrace these advancements. Advanced security measures are being implemented. Encryption, biometrics, and multi-factor authentication improve protection. These innovations aim to safeguard our vehicles effectively. The future of car security lies in better integration. Combining hardware with software offers enhanced protection. This holistic approach will drive advancements in automotive security. We also see the rise of the Internet of Things. Connected cars bring exciting possibilities and opportunities. They provide vehicle diagnostics, maintenance alerts, and personalized experiences. The future of mobility looks promising. Autonomous driving and shared mobility are reshaping transportation. The connected car ecosystem will make life more convenient. Emerging trends include biometric authentication and voice control. Wearable technology could also become a key alternative. These developments may change how we interact with our vehicles. The automotive industry will see new business models emerge. Customer experiences will evolve, making cars more user-friendly. Car keys will become gateways to a connected world. In summary, car keys have transformed significantly. They evolved from traditional metal keys to digital keys. With continued innovation, car access will become even more seamless. So, next time you start your car, think about its journey. Embrace the future and the possibilities it holds. Check out our channel for more interesting topics.